can see it in the way I dress, and you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Alright y'all, good afternoon, welcome to another vlog. It is another garage day. Mike and I went to go look at a bike for him. I don't know why he let somebody get in his head and tell him that his Gsxr was slow. It's not, but he felt intimidated by that conversation that his bike could possibly be slow. So we went to go check out a Gsxr 1000. It happened to be almost identical to what this is, right? In 1000 form. So we went to check that out. I went with him just to give him some fine points to look at, to check out things that he may not be aware of. So also he had already bought these. We got some powder coated wheels and he got some Q3s put on it. So I'm just gonna swap those wheels out, get him up to par, and put all of the hardware back on. So just real simple light work today, working on this Gsxr. Oh yeah, matter of fact, the R6 is ready to ride, but I'm still not gonna ride it just yet. Oh, and I got some stuff. I don't remember what's in this box, but a big thing that people have been saying in the Instagram comments and in the YouTube comments is you guys use mics. Now I have mics, but this is another mic adapter for the GoPro 7 or 8, whatever I'm using now. So I got these for the trailer, wheel chocks. As you can see, I've been trailering motorcycles and picking up stranded motorcycles quite a bit. So I figured a quicker loading method is gonna be wheel chocks and you know, strap and tie downs. That's no big deal. Now let's see. Ooh, that's what it takes, having fingernails, baby. Let's see what the hell came in this box, because I am not aware, and I'm kind of afraid. A backpack or something? What the fuck is this? Oh, rivets. Nice. See what I'm saying? Amazon just packages everything. So we got some rivets. That's cool. I can get back on the RX-7 and finish mounting everything. That's something I was waiting on. I had some more, but I wanted to get a whole nother stash of them. Oh. And these are the straps. These are dedicated for the motorcycles. See these stirrups? So basically with the motorcycle, we'll just put those over this and it'll give a nice firm grip, right? And just pull them down, strap them to a place and pull it, done. So loading the motorcycle will be hella easy. No more going over, through, around into the other side and ratchet strapping it down, trying to load the suspension. Those just literally go over the handlebars. You hook them and you pull them and they pull tight as shit. So you want to load a bike properly with suspension compressed, because if not, it's going to bounce and all of your tension that you had in your straps is going to go loose, tight, where your bike will lean over, fall over, shit like that. We don't want it to lean over or fall over. You want the suspension to be compressed and that bike will be rigid and firm mounted. So this is cool. Oh, and the tripod. Nice. Okay, cool. So now I can set up a tripod other than that one that I use most of the time when I use a phone rig. A little mini tripod extends enough. I don't need it to be super big. I just need to get about this height, and that's what's gonna do. Who is that? Oh, Mike pulled up. So first time working on this Gsxr. This has a very odd shapely thing in here. This tool, I modified it. Yamahas typically only need this one side, but this one's a lot bigger. He's a 24 side. But you know what? I modified this for the cowie because the cowies were super shallow, so I had to cut a tip off, sand it down. That went in on the cowie. The Yamahas and I think the Suzuki's used the 24 side. This is very important for front wheels. We get that, we're gonna lift this up, then we're gonna pull the axle out, slide the wheel off.
2 hours later.
That shit is sauce. This is that red lobster Alfredo fettuccine.
Ooh.
With the lobster meat in it.
There's some extra sauce that's been applied to this. I cannot lie. This is cracking. I like it. Like literally just a wheel and tire change just constantly elevates the game with this bike. It's like we brought it back from not shabby, but needed a whole lot of like just TLC, and now we got this.
Like, oh, it's changing, but you know, now it's starting to kind of blend in. I'm gonna take this bike around the block.
You want me to take it around the block?
You don't even know what it feels like.
I know, I don't. All right, we'll go around the block one time. I don't want to ride it yet.
Around the block.
Let's just go, we'll go around the block once. All right, there we go. We're going around the block. Oh my God. Oh my God. This bike is so aggressive. Why is it this aggressive? Oh, this bike is sick, nigga. It feels like she's ready for dyno. Oh, God, guys, I'm hyped. I'm so excited about this thing. Lord have mercy.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
We've done final flight checks and it's like they're clear for takeoff. We're gonna see if Mike Myke rubs in these nipples one time. Blend these whiskers out. This joint looking sexual over here. I do.